Mathematics, Class 12, Unit 1, Relations and Functions, Chapter 1, Relations and Functions, Subtopic, Functions. Let us see some outline of this subtopic. First of all, definition, that is definition of function. Second one, domain of the function. Third one, range of the function. Fourth one, example of function. And the fifth one, some assignments. Now we will understand the definition of function. Let A and B be two non-empty sets. A relation f from A to B, that is a subset of Cartesian product A cross B, is called a function from A to B if there are two conditions. The first condition, for each A belongs to A, there exists B belongs to B such that AB belongs to F. That means for every element of A has an element in B such that F of A equal to B. And the second condition, ordered pair AB belongs to F and AC belongs to F implies B equal to C. That means the image of A is B, that is F of A equal to B, and the image of A is C, that is F of A equal to C, then B equal to C, that is these two images are same. That means this image is unique. So we can club these 1 and 2 as for each element A belongs to A, there exists a unique. So highlight the word unique. B belongs to B such that F of A equal to B or AB belongs to F. Let us check the given example is a function or not. So the set A has the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and set B has the elements A, B, C, D, E, and look at the map. 1 maps to D, 3 maps to E, 4 maps to C, 5 maps to B. So here by definition of function, every element of A has a unique element in B. But look at the element 2 in A that has no image in B. Therefore, it is not a function. Another example, is it a function? Again, set A has 5 elements, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and set B has 5 elements, that is A, B, C, D, E, and the maps, 1 maps to D, 2 maps to A, 3 maps to C, and 3 maps to E, 4 maps to A, 5 maps to B. Again, by definition of function, every element of A has a unique image in B. But look at the number or the element 3. 3 has two images, C and E. Therefore, it is not a function. Let us look one more example. A has the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B has the elements A, B, C, D, E, and the map 1 maps to D, 2 maps to A, 3 maps to E, 4 maps to C, 5 maps to B. Here you can see that every element of A has a unique element in B. Therefore, it is an example of function. Given there are 4 figures. Look at this figure. Figure 1, figure 2, figure 3, figure 4. Can you say which is the example of function or which are the function? By vertical line test, we can say which figure satisfies the condition of function. So again the figure 1, 2, 3, 4 and draw a vertical line in figure 1, and that vertical line cross the graph exactly one point. Therefore, it is an example of function. And again, in figure 2, if you draw a vertical line and that vertical line crosses the graph at 2 points, therefore figure 2 is not a function. And in figure 3, if you draw a vertical line and you can see that that vertical line crosses the graph exactly at 1 point, hence it is a function. And in figure 4, the vertical line crosses the graph exactly at the 2 points, therefore it is not a function. By seeing this Venn diagram, obviously we can say it is a function, and the element of A, that is the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is called a domain. That is, the entire element of A is called a domain, and the entire element of B, that is the element A, B, C, D, E, is called a codomain. So this is an example of a function from A to B. Can you guess what is the range, or what about range? So range is a collection of all images of the set A, or set of all image collection is called a range. So here set A, B, C, D, E is called a range. So range of F is equal to set A, B, C, D, E. Look at this function. What is range here? So you can see that the element A has no pre-images in set A. Therefore, the range is set B, C, D, E. So let us define the domain, definition of domain. Let f be a function from A to B, which is written as f from A to B. Then the set A is the domain of the function. And what about codomain? The set B is called the codomain of the function. And the range of f is equal to set of all B belongs to B such that ordered pair AB belongs to F. Let us go through one exercise. Check whether the function f from A to B is defined by f of x equal to x square, where A equal to set -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and set B equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a function. If yes, what is its domain and range of f? So first of all, we can draw two Venn diagram of the set A and B. How can we find the image of the domain value? By function defined as f of x equal to x square. If you put x equal to -2, we get f of -2, that is equal to -2 whole square, that is equal to +4. And if you put x equal to 2, f of 2 is equal to 2 square, that is again equal to +4. So the image of -2 and 2 is equal to +4. And similarly, if you put x equal to -1, then f of -1 is equal to -1 whole square, that is +1. And if you put x equal to 1, then f of 1 is equal to 1 square, that is again equal to +1. Therefore, the image of -1 and +1 is +1. And what about the image of 0? So f of 0 is equal to 0 square, that is equal to 0. Therefore, the image of 0 is 0. Then since every element of the domain has a unique image, hence it is a function. Again, if it is a function, then what is a domain and a range of f? That is a question. So domain is the entire element of the set A. That means domain of A equal to set minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, and codomain is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the entire set B. And the range of f is equal to the image collection. What are the image collection of f? 0, 1, 4. So this is the range. Let me give some assignments. The first one, check whether f from A to B is defined by f of x equal to x cube, where A equal to set minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, and B equal to set 0, 1, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 is a function. If yes, what is its domain and range? Question number 2, check whether the function f from n to n is defined by f of x equal to x raised to 1 by 2, that is square root of x, is a function. If x, what is range of f? And one more question, check whether f from R to R defined by f of x equal to mod x is a function. If x, what is the range of f?